Hi all, it's Sue with She's Wired again. We wanted to get back with you on all the fun we've been having with Zoom, but we also wanted to make sure everybody was staying safe. There are some security issues with using Zoom, and we wanted to work with you to make sure you are keeping your software up to date. It's important to check this on a regular basis. When you launch Zoom, whether you're on a Mac or a PC, you may see at the top bar underneath where it says Home, Chat, Meetings, and Contacts that a new version is available, and there's an update button you can click on. Please do that. If you don't see that, it's a good idea to check anyway. So if you're on a Mac, click on to launch Zoom and go up to the zoom.us menu at the very top next to the Apple and click on Check for Updates. If you're on a PC, launch Zoom, click on the little icon in the upper right corner, and then click on Check for Updates. If you get a prompt back that says you are up to date, everything's great. You can click Close and move on. But if you get a prompt that tells you there are updates available and there will be a list of them, you definitely want to click on the update button to make sure you run those updates and get the security patches that are coming fairly frequently from Zoom right now. You may or may not see some sort of progress bar during the update. And eventually you might get an install button. It's okay if you don't. Some of the systems are actually just going ahead and installing. If you do get the install button, go ahead and click on it. You'll see some progress with regard to the update. And then eventually the Zoom screen will come back. You will not see, hopefully, that there's an update available underneath the home, items at the top. You could always check again by running updates and having it come back as you are up to date. So again, because there are some security concerns with Zoom right now, it's best to run your updates pretty frequently, again, maybe once a day, every other day. And we want to make sure everybody's staying safe and having a good Zoom experience. If you have any questions, please give us a call at She's Wired at 404-935-9614, or you can send us an email at wecanhelp@sheswired.com. Happy Zooming, everyone.